Hey guys, Rhett here. What's going on? Want to talk to you today about something that I'm doing, and it's because of constant people reaching out and saying, Rhett, what Section 8 lease do you use? Rhett, what cash tenant lease do you use? What commercial lease do you use? What kind of operating agreements for me and my partner do you usually use? What documents do you use for a lease renewal? Or a late notice on rent, or an eviction notice. And after months and months and months of getting these questions and directing people to sources and to attorneys and to the right areas to get these things, I said, you know what? It was Labor Day weekend, and I went back into my computer and computers of past that I have stowed away, and I went through these things and pulled up every single document that I've used over the last 12 years in real estate that I thought would be helpful for you. What I did was I took these PDFs, I took these documents, I turned them all into Word documents. I went through every single one of them, and I removed all the private information. So I removed addresses, I removed business names, corporation names, I removed my name, I removed tenants' names, I removed addresses. I'm being repetitive. I'm saying the same thing over again. But I removed everything, turned them into Word documents that are blank, that are perfect templates now for you. Okay? Now, I'll put the link to that. I put them all on my website. You can go and get whatever you want. Every document that I put out is now on the website. Everything that I thought was prevalent and that I think you could get use from, business plans to you name it. When it comes to real estate, and I had it, I literally made it usable for you. So I'm going to put the link to that stuff right here, right now. Anytime, go to the website. You can find it, especially the Section 8 leases, guys. The Section 8 lease that I put on there, I've used for years and years and years and years and years. Housing authorities from all over the country have accepted it. So check that stuff out. I think it'll help you. I know there's a ton of information out there when it comes to use this lease or use this lease, but everything that I've used, I've put up there, I've had success with. So get that stuff, guys. Go check that stuff out. I hope it can help you out, and we'll see you next time.